Hi there, it's Jenna from scribblinggrace.com. So in my last flip through video of this Bible here, I got so much feedback that you guys wanted to see my other journaling Bible flip through as well. So this one, to be honest, I was a little shy to share because this was the first journaling Bible I've ever owned. It's just over 2 years old when I first started journaling. And there's a lot of mistakes in this Bible. There's a lot of pages I'm not super proud of. I'm a lot prouder of this one here because I've learned so much since using this Bible, and I kind of transferred my prettier pages over into this one. Things I know I can do, I'll do in this one. Things that I'm trying out for the first time, I'll do in this one. This one's kind of like my messy Bible. And so it's not always pages that turn out exactly how I want them. And I usually don't end up sharing them on social media. So it's a little nerve-wracking for me to, go through this entire Bible. There's also a lot of pages in here that are done. So this video might take a little while, a little longer. But I'm just trying to remind myself that all the pages in here are beautiful because it's just worship with the Lord. And I just need to be proud of them and shout them out. So I'm going to go ahead and start this flip through. So that's the flip through of my Bible. As I'm flipping through this, I'm like, wow, I have a lot of mistakes, a lot of bleed through, a lot of spelling errors and cover-ups, but I also have a lot of faith and a lot of beauty in this Bible. So I just want to encourage you, if you are new to Bible journaling and you're kind of scared to jump in, you're scared to make a mistake in your Bible, even if you've been Bible journaling for a while and you still have some pages that you're not proud of, that it's just about spending time in the Word. And sometimes you're going to have pages that don't turn out the way you want them to. You're going to have mistakes, but we all grow and we learn so much. And I have grown so much, and I just broke off a tab in here. I've learned and grown so much over the last 2 years. My faith has grown exponentially through Bible journaling, and I just think it's a really wonderful thing. So, we all start somewhere. If you're scared, jump in. You will learn and grow as you go, and I just hope that you enjoy your time in the Word. It's all about just praising Him and using your art in whatever way that may be, whether that's sticking in the margins, whether that's making full, huge pages, whether it's just some simple notes in your margin. Like I have a few of those, you probably saw. It's all just praising and worshiping Him. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless.